Hello guys, welcome to the Indian Review channel. Today I'm going to unbox and show you the installation process and give a very short demo of this vacuum cleaner. The model number is WDBD15. It's a 15 liter 1400 watt and 16 kilopascal suction power vacuum cleaner. I got this from Amazon for 4900 during the sale. MRP is around 11,500 rupees. Let's get started. First, this is the extension pipe which connects to the vacuum cleaner to the extension rod of the pipe. The other end goes to the vacuum cleaner end, and it has got a locking mechanism to it. The build quality of the pipe is compared to other companies is alright. Now coming to this is the sponge, or the waterproof sponge, which prevents excess water entering during wet vacuuming. You should place this above and around the suction head, which I'll show you later on. Now we get two extension pipes. These are made of plastic. The build quality is alright, not the best. Now we can connect them to each other, and we can extend the overall length so you can reach hard to reach places. Now this is a cloth made dry vacuum dust bag. Other companies give paper, but Black & Decker is kind enough to give us a very good quality cloth bag. And this is the clip part which holds the dust bag together. When you want to dump out the dust, you just open it and dump it out. And again, after throwing out the dry dusts, you can close it just by sliding the plastic slider. Next is the installation and instruction manual. Over here you can see all the parts that are included in the vacuum cleaner and how to install them step by step. It's very informative and simple. You can easily do the installation yourself. Now this is the vacuum head. It's actually a 2-in-1. You can use it both on hard floor as well as carpets. The clip on top of here actually brings down the dust brush as well as the wet vacuum brush together. I'll press it and you'll see yes, you can see the rubber and the brush both are coming out together, so you can easily vacuum up wet and dry particles. When you close it, you can vacuum carpets, rugs, whatever you want. And it has got a 180-degree rotation to it. Now this is a warranty card, although it's not signed by the seller, but you can avail the warranty just by showing the invoice. Now the extension pipe, and connect to the vacuum head, gives a decent length and the grip is alright. While doing vacuuming of hard or dry floor, you should always engage the clip. Now this accessory is the vacuum head for suctioning or vacuuming sofa, cushions, beddings, mattresses, anything. So it has got a small fabric brush at the end. Now this is the crevices nozzle, vacuuming corners, window sills, doors and all that. Now they also include 4 caster wheels, which we'll install later on below the vacuum cleaner, so it will move easily. Now let's take out the main unit. It's in the box. The packaging done by the company is alright, not the best. The main unit is kind of heavy. The color and the finishing is quite impressive. I really like the deep orange and black combination. It gives it a real nice look. Whereas other brands like Karcher, they just look plain yellow, but tend to get a little bit dirty fast. It has got 2 sliding clips to it. Just clip it, push it open, it will open. You don't have to twist it, and it comes up open. The main part of the vacuum motor is on the top part where the filter is attached. I'm going to show you the lower part of 15 liter capacity. It's comparatively thick and well built. Over here you can see the brand name and the model number is written. And over here you have some of the areas where you can store the pipes and hang the vacuum head. The lower part, this is the liquid water drain. When you have like 5, 8 to 10 liters of liquid, you can open up and easily drain it without lifting the whole thing. So that's a very nice idea. Most of the companies don't give it, but Black & Decker actually gave that. Now we're going to take off the Hepa filter. It's actually quite big and heavy. To do that, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. Then just pull the filter, it will come out. Now the filter is made of a very good quality, multiple layered thick cloth, and inner lining is done by double layer of some kind of metal, could be aluminum or steel mesh. Now this is the part where the vacuum, the air starts sucking up, and I'll show you, I'll focus. The plastic piece that's moving up and down is the flotation valve. So if you are doing wet mopping or wet vacuuming, if the water level rises too much, it will cause the electric motor to automatically shut down, so it doesn't get shorted due to entry of water. Now let's reattach it. For dry vacuuming, you should always use the Hepa filter and this safety lid along with the dust bag. Now I'm going to show you how to install it. There's a small clip around the nozzle, so you have to twist it and then clip it and lock it into place. Compared to other companies give usually a paper bag, whereas Black & Decker provides us with a very nice quality cloth bag, so it's easily washable. And just twist it almost 180 degrees and it locks in place. Now I'll put in the main motor head, the vacuum head, and lock in place using the two clips on the side. Now we're going to install the 4 caster wheels provided so that we can easily roll around and move the vacuum cleaner anywhere we go. The installation is pretty simple. It's just push in the metal heads into the correct slots. It just slides into place. You can fast forward this part. Now the cable is provided. It's very long. It's almost 4 meters long. So you can easily vacuum a very large room easily without having to shift the wire from one socket to another. You don't even need a extension board. So I'm going to connect it to the front part, which has the vacuum port. Make sure it locks into place with the click sound. Now I'm going to show you a very quick demo of the machine turning on, and it's a basic vacuuming function. I'm going to make a detailed video on the performance of the dry vacuum, the wet vacuum separate, and I'm going to do a full house cleaning, and I'm going to make multiple videos of it so you can see how the vacuum cleaner performs. Let's connect it and let's see. This is the main button, and on top of it is the overload LED light. So if something gets stuck in the vacuum cleaner, that LED light would glow red, so that indicates that you have to turn off the machine at that time. Now in order to do the hard floor, just take out the brush and lock it in place. Very small demo. I'm going to make a very detailed performance video. Over here you can see if something gets stuck in the vacuum cleaner, you can open it to read there. I'm going to put my hand when there's too much suction pressure. You can see the LED light glow showing something has got stuck or the pressure is very high. So I'm going to connect the upholstery vacuum head, and I'm going to quickly show you a demo on my cushion. Now I'll show you how powerful the suction is. You can actually literally lift off a 1 kilogram, around 900 to 1 kilogram weight cushion. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.